Project risks help you prevent unexpected impacts on scope, costs, and delivery. Logging and monitoring both positive and negative project risks is easier than ever with ProjectManager's risk management features. To create a risk, enable your RAID log. Open the sub-navigation menu and select the RAID log icon on the far right to get started. You'll be able to add and track risks directly from this view in one convenient location. Customize your view to show only the columns you want to display, including details such as priority, impact, likelihood, response, and more. For further customization, drag the column in your preferred order or sort by ascending or descending order. Open the risk card to add details such as the name of the risk, due date, priority level, assignee, and description. Here you'll also be able to set a risk response, including avoid, mitigate, transfer, or accept. Add tags for fast filtering and type out your ideal resolution in more detail. Once you set the risk impact and likelihood on the card, our color-coded risk matrix automatically calculates your risk level. A visual representation of green, orange, or red shows how the risk can impact your project and makes it easy to see what action should be taken. Collaborating on risks is simple on the risk card. Relevant team members can add comments and files for streamlined communication and timely updates. If needed, use the three-dot menu on your risk card to get a shareable risk URL. Move the risk to another project, view the risk history, or delete it altogether. To find risks across all your projects, take advantage of our global search functionality. You can also export risks to an Excel or CSV file and include the columns you selected. Use the data to keep project stakeholders informed of how the project scope or timeline might be impacted. With ProjectManager, risks that once had the potential to derail your project are caught before disaster strikes.